Hey, this is Steve at E36 Fanatics, and today I'm going to show you a really simple, really quick way of doing a power steering flush and refill on a BMW E36. Now, this particular car is a 1996 328i BMW, and it's standard across the E36s though. So here's what the actual reservoir is down here, below the air intake box. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to go ahead and remove the air intake box. I've already unclipped this and took off this connection, and then you need a 10mm socket for these two bolts here and here around the cruise control. And then this whole thing unit just pops out. Now, just a quick thing about this. This is the really quick way to do kind of a power steering flush. I really need to do it on this car, but I have to, I don't have any jack stands available to me at the moment, so I'm gonna do it this way. If you have some jack stands sitting around that you're not already using them for, do it the better way, and actually jack the car up and do it from underneath. It's a lot more effective than what I'm about to show you, but this is a lot better than running around on dirty fluid. Okay, so I pulled out the air box, and you can see the ATF fuel reservoir right here. And you should be able to just pull it out with your hand, really, be able to turn it out. And if you can do that, then you can see the meter right here. And let me just show you how bad my oil is. See that black color? That is a big no-no for ATF oil like this. It's supposed to be, when it's new, it comes out this reddish color, this clear reddish color. Also, over time, as it gets older, it not only does it darken up like this, but it also gets less translucent. You can't see through it nearly as well. And then the other thing is, once it's gotten really bad, you can kind of smell a burning smell, and that's another surefire way to tell that it's time to replace it. Okay, so I go ahead and open this up. Set that over there. So I go ahead and I take a syringe, and remember, I only do this if I absolutely have to, really. If I'm just in a rush and I know this stuff really needs to be changed. And I take a turkey baster. So I just stick it in there. And out it comes. And if it's as bad as mine, it's going to be this nasty black color, when the newer stuff is supposed to be that pink stain color right there. So it's definitely well over a time for a change on this stuff. So, like I said, this is basically the real quick way to do this job. What I do is I just empty the reservoir of all the fluid into like a bin like this or something. And then once you do that, you go ahead and seal it back up, or go ahead and refill it with your new ATF fluid. And then you seal it up, and then you start the motor and run for about 2 minutes. Then you come back and then you repeat the process. So the issue with doing it this way is that the reservoir only carries about a quarter of a quart of ATF oil. So that means you got to do this a few times and run it through to actually do it pretty well.